This is the front panel of the case. This is to support for your convenience to plug in peripheral like USB storage, flash disk, earphone, headphone, something. So this case support SD card, USB 3G, USB 3.0, and USB 2, and headphone and even microphone. So internal cables, this is USB 3. This is USB 2, and this is audio. So for USB 3, there will be two separated sides. So this side has some plug, and this has some hole. So the plug should go to this hole like this. Then and next, the audio. So you see on the main board, we have an audio plug here, a connector. So I'll plug it here. Then be careful with the direction. You will have one unblockable pin here. So you should check where is the missing pin. So you see here they have missing pin in that corner. So I will plug the unblockable pin like this direction. Plug in. Then we have front panel on there. Finish.